Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei P60 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Then we can enable or disable dark mode and schedule it. Next, we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, also schedule it, change filter level, and enable or disable flicker reduction. Next, we can change text size and text weight. Then we can change display size, change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, adjust color mode and temperature, and also color of the display. Then we can change screen resolution, screen refresh rate, and in more display settings we can enable or disable HDR images, enable full screen mode for apps, and hide notch. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.